Beneath the sunlight and the twilight lies a world of darkness, silence, and extreme pressure, the midnight zone. Earth's oceans are divided into layers. The midnight zone, also called the Bathypelagic zone, begins at 1,000 meters. At this depth, sunlight no longer reaches. It's a world of total darkness. Water pressure here exceeds 100 times that at sea level, enough to crush a human body instantly. Temperatures in the midnight zone hover just above freezing, barely 2 to 4 degrees Celsius. Exploring this zone requires unmanned submersibles, built to survive extreme cold and pressure. Yet here, in the dark, life glows. Bioluminescence is the midnight zone's primary light source. Lanternfish, one of the most common deep-sea species, use light-producing organs to navigate and signal. This is the gulper eel. Its oversized jaw can engulf prey larger than itself. The vampire squid uses luminous displays and webbed arms for both defense and deception. In darkness, light becomes a weapon. Predators mimic bioluminescence to lure prey. Many deep-sea creatures are partially or fully transparent, nearly invisible in the water column. Food is scarce. Most nutrition arrives from above, in the form of marine snow, decaying matter drifting down. Grenadiers are among the top predators in this zone, sensing prey through movement and scent. Energy conservation is vital. Many deep-sea species barely move, waiting for prey to come to them. Survival here means adapting. Deep-sea species evolve unique traits: huge eyes, expandable jaws, and glowing skin. Most deep-sea animals have soft, gelatinous bodies, resistant to crushing pressure. Some jellyfish here pulse with electric color, using light for defense or distraction. The barrel-eye fish has a transparent head and tubular eyes that rotate to track prey above. Eyes are useless in total darkness. Some species hunt by detecting vibrations or electric fields. Yet even here, where the seafloor cracks open, life flourishes near hydrothermal vents. These red-plumed tube worms rely on symbiotic bacteria instead of sunlight to survive. Vent shrimp live in near-boiling water, huddled around volcanic fissures. This armored scavenger roams the seafloor in search of decaying food, resembling a creature from another era. This is one of Earth's quietest places. Most creatures live in isolation, drifting through silence. Most life forms here rarely meet. When they do, it's either a hunt or a brief mating encounter. At 4,000 meters, the midnight zone flattens into plains of silt, stone, and ancient wreckage. From whale carcasses to sunken ships, decay here is slow, stretched over decades. In the deep, some species grow larger than their shallow water relatives, an unexplained phenomenon. A living fossil, this frilled shark has remained almost unchanged for 80 million years. The rattail, or grenadier, is one of the most common deep-sea fish, sweeping the ocean floor for anything edible. Blobfish aren't truly gelatinous in their natural habitat. Their odd shape comes from decompression at the surface. The coffinfish inflates its body like a balloon when threatened, deterring predators in the dark. This fish rests motionless on 3 fine legs, watching the current, waiting to strike. With rows of sharp teeth and forward-facing eyes, the deep-sea lizardfish is a top predator here. On the seafloor, dense brine pools form underwater lakes. Their toxic salt content makes them deadly. At these depths, the seafloor resembles alien worlds: rugged terrain, thermal chimneys, and glowing organisms. The hatchetfish's flat, reflective body helps it vanish from view, one of the best camouflage tricks in the ocean. Also known as the chimera, the ghost shark glides through darkness using electroreception to hunt. Crabs and amphipods here have hardened shells and grow larger than their shallow water cousins. In the absence of sight, Many deep-sea predators ambush prey by sensing movement and vibrations. Some parts of the midnight zone lack oxygen entirely, creating zones where only microbes survive. Most of what we know comes from remotely operated vehicles, machines built to survive where humans cannot. Deep-sea exploration is slow, dangerous, and expensive, but it's revealed more than we ever imagined. Every dive discovers something new. Over 75% of species in the deep ocean are still unknown. Hydrothermal vents create oases of life, supporting entire ecosystems powered by chemicals, not sunlight. Pompeii worms thrive in scalding vent water, protected by bacteria living on their backs. This fierce hunter uses glowing lights to lure prey in total darkness. Many organisms survive by filtering and scavenging particles drifting down from above. A living fossil, the frilled shark has remained nearly unchanged for millions of years. Rarely seen, the giant squid stalks the deep with unmatched stealth and power. Using light to confuse predators, the vampire squid is a master of disguise. Much of the midnight zone remains unexplored, with countless species still unknown. Human impact reaches even these remote depths, threatening fragile ecosystems. Deep-sea mining poses unknown risks, potentially destroying habitats we barely understand. Every organism, from microbe to giant squid, plays a vital role in this complex ecosystem. Advances in technology are unveiling mysteries once thought unreachable. Each expedition brings surprises, revealing life forms never before seen by humans. Protecting the midnight zone is vital to preserving Earth's largest, most mysterious habitat. The deep ocean remains one of our planet's final frontiers, full of wonder, mystery, and life.